Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the Culinary Expedition. Today we are going to Bolivia. Today I will be preparing Pique a lo Macho, a wonderful Bolivian dish, very traditional. Let's get to the mise en place. Today we're starting off with some beef. It's about 8 ounces. Then we'll move on to sliced onions, poblano chilies, sliced, red bell pepper, carrots, good old garlic, gotta love the garlic, some tomato paste, cumin, smoked paprika, ají chili powder, splash or two of white vinegar, and beef stock. Okay, I already went ahead and salted and peppered the beef, and I'll add it to the hot oil. We're just going to sear this for about 1.5 minutes or so. Okay, now that the beef is all nice and brown, I'm going to go ahead and lower the heat. I'm going to remove the beef to a clean bowl. Okay, here's the seared beef. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside. I'm going to add the onion. We're going to saute these for a little bit. Okay, these onions are just about ready. We're going to add the poblano and the red bell pepper and the carrot. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, as you can see, these veggies are ready. So I'm going to add the garlic. And get this all cooked in for about 30 to 45 seconds. Then we'll add the tomato paste. The cumin, smoked paprika, and the aji. Let's heat up these spices. So let's get them to bloom. Now we're going to add the beef stock. And the white vinegar. Get this all mixed in, scraping the bottom to get all the wonderful fun. There's a lot of flavor in that fun. Then we're going to take it down to a low and simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, the sauce has thickened. Now we'll reintroduce the beef and all the juices. And we'll get that all mixed in. And we'll heat through the beef just for a few minutes, just to get it back warmed up in the sauce. Okay, it looks like it's all ready to go. The beef should be nice and warm within the sauce. All right, on to the next step. As you can see here, I have roasted potatoes. I roasted these just before I started the beef. So yeah, this is one russet that's cubed down about 1/2 inch or so, and I'm going to plate the beef and the vegetables on top. And part of the traditional, let me clean this plate up real quick. Is medium boiled eggs. And I'll finish that off with some fresh chopped cilantro. So here I present Pique a lo Macho from Bolivia. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef's website. You will also find my cookbooks, international urban spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.